Hello everyone, welcome to today's class, and today we're talking about parrot pals. Let's start off with the warm-up questions. 1번. Do you have any pets? 애완동물 둘 있어요? No. At the moment, I don't have any pets. I used to have dogs growing up, but not anymore. 2번. Have you ever considered keeping a parrot? 앵무새 키우는 게 생각해봤어요? No, but a long time ago when I was very young, my best friend at the time, he had parrots, and they were very noisy. So I don't think I could own a parrot, especially here in Seoul, when you live in an apartment and everyone can hear everything. I have a baby recently, and all she does is cry, so I don't think I need a parrot. Alright, now let's look at the vocabulary and repeat after me. 1번. mimic, mimic, mimic. 흉내를 내다. So since ancient times, people have enjoyed parrots' ability to mimic human speech. Another word for mimic is imitate. 2번. kindergartner, kindergartner, kindergartner. 유치원생. They can solve puzzles that are too hard for most human kindergartens, understand abstract concepts, and show empathy. So a kindergartner, as you may know, is a preschooler aged between maybe 4 to 6 years old. 3번. abstract, abstract, abstract. 추상적인. They can solve puzzles. This is an example, same as before. They can solve puzzles that are too hard for most human kindergarteners, understand abstract concepts, and show empathy. This is also the next example as well. But anyway, abstract means not concrete, based on concepts that cannot be seen or touched. 4번. empathy, empathy, empathy. 공감. They can solve puzzles that are too hard for most human kindergarteners, understand abstract concepts, and show empathy. Again, same as before. So the definition, ability to feel what somebody else is feeling. 5번. pick out, pick out, pick out. 선택하다. 18 captive parents were trained to ring a bell when they wanted to use a tablet to pick out another parrot and call them for a Zoom chat. Interesting. Another word for pick out is the word choose. 6번. livestock, livestock, livestock. Whether they are pets, livestock, or wild animals, they deserve to be treated kindly. So, 가축 and livestock are farm animals or animals raised for food or labor. So that was the preview section. Now let's move on to the review section.